Hi, this is Jahangir from Digital Expert. Today I will discuss about digital patient journey. Let's start our topic. The digital patient journey explained from first search to book appointment. Today I'm going to break down the digital patient journey step by step. Once you understand how patients move online, you will know exactly what your clinic needs to go. So let's go to next slide. Awareness. Patients realize a health need, search symptoms or clinic near me. First impression is online. The journey begins when a patient becomes aware of a need, maybe back pain, toothache, or needing a checkup. They don't walk into a clinic, they Google it. So, very important thing is awareness. Then let's go to next slide. Research. Check Google results and maps. Compare clinic websites. Read reviews and testimonials. At this stage, patients are comparing options. They are checking Google Maps, browsing websites, reading reviews, and looking for signs of trust. If your clinic doesn't show up here, you are invisible. Research time should goodly visible or website and other things. So, it's a very important point. This research. And then evaluation, trust signals matter, must website design and mobile usability, doctor profile, services, pricing. Now patients are evaluating. They ask, can I trust this clinic? Is booking easy? Do they look professional? Your website content and revisions are what turn curiosity into confidence. So the evaluation part also we showed goodly uh, visible on everything for the trust and other things like website design part, mobile responsibility, and our like content. Everything is very important and graphics. So very important point is evaluation. Okay, so let's go to next slide. Decision. Book appointment online. Call clinic directly. Influenced by ease or and trust. The decision point happens when the patient chooses where to go. If your site has a clear book now button, an easy from or a click to call option, they are far more likely to pick you. So when our patient will thinking about decision making, so that time book appointment online that should be have on our website. Call clinic directly. We should add phone number on the website and Google business profile. So all are very important things. Then let's go to next slide. Experience. First visit seats expectations, communication before and after online reviews, after appointment. The journey doesn't stop at booking. Patients expect reminders, good communication, and a smooth visit afterward. Many will leave a review, which feeds back into the next patient's journey. So, also, this three point is very, very important to have a good experience. Then let's go to next slide. Loyalty and advocacy. Follow up emails, SMS, patient retention programs, referrals, and positive reviews. The final stage is loyalty, happy patients return and refer others. Clinics that nurture relation with follow-ups, care, and digital communication create long-term growth. So this three point is very important. The follow-up email or SMS. So when a patient will book us, they will definitely use them email or phone number. We should uh, follow up by emailing or messaging when would be time. Then patient retention programs, referrals, and positive reviews. So this is very important when they will take any like treatment from us. Then we should ask to uh, give us a positive reviews or do refer to others. So that's very important point for any businesses to grow more and more. Then the full journey recap, awareness, research, evaluation, decision, experience, loyalty. This is the digital patient journey. It's not random, it's a structured path. If your clinic aligns with this process, you will attract and keep more patients. Okay, so let's go to next slide. Common gaps clinics have: invisible on Google, outdated websites, no reviews, trust signals, no online booking, poor follow-up. Most clinics fail because they miss on or more of this stage. Fixing them can make the patient journey smooth and increase bookings. So very important thing is to visible on Google. So when any visitor or search by like clinic near me or like hospital near me, then definitely we should have our Google business profile on the Google, and we should have enough reviews and other contact information. And actually everything is important to go actually for the business. Then outdated websites. So when visitor will visit your website, then if they see the website structure is like very broken, uh, there does not have enough like option to book, or there is no clear menu to visit booking page or like contact page or contact with you. uh, if they see the website is very outdated design, then definitely they will not trust to your clinic. They will think the this clinic is very unprofessional. They will find another one. And no reviews, trust signal. Then if they see that you have Google business profile or any other local directories, but there is no any reviews or trust signals, that's actually really a big problem. Because if new patients see you don't have any previous reviews, then they will see they are not doing good. Because if they could good, then they definitely should have good reviews. That's a simple thing. Then no online booking. Already I said, if on your website doesn't have online booking systems, then you will lost customers. Then poor follow-ups. Then The follow up is very important thing. Like if I give you an example, when we run cold email campaign, then on the first campaign we actually really don't get any results. Then when we send first follow up, second follow up, third follow up, fifth follow up, then gradually we get some response and get bookings to a meeting. So that's really very important thing. So let's go to next slide. Okay, so if you are a like healthcare or clinic business owner or whatever, you have like pharmacy or any kind of healthcare, you have with any healthcare. So actually you should be definitely should be visible on Google, build trust, make booking easy, keep patients engaged. That's really very important. And I can share some more basic information. Like to grow a business in online, first of all need a professional website, and second, definitely should have social activities on like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. On that have should at least weekly 2 or 3 posts should upload. Then should be must do marketing like paid advertisement or local SEO or global SEO if your business is global or product. Uh, I think if you just fix these three things, the website, social media, marketing, then which marketing will work for you. You can talk with any like expert digital marketer, then they will guide you. You can like run cold email campaign. You can run, if you are B2B business, then you should run cold email. If you are like you have a product you want to sell to into customer, then you should run LinkedIn or Instagram, Facebook, TikTok ads. Like you have equipment or any healthcare tools, then you should target on clinic business owner. Then you should run cold email campaign or like that kind of things. So actually they depend on the business. The marketing is the depend on the products or services. So that's the main thing. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much.